Hello BAT community and potential bidders. Welcome to this wonderful R129 500 SL. This car has remained with the original owner since new, and it is a 1992, so think of that. Decades of single ownership, one gentleman caring for it its whole life. Everything about this car and its history is known and documented from new. No questions, absolute 100% documentation. It's a lovely car. The paint is 100% original. The interior is 100% original and perfect. The wheels, original and perfect. Tires, brand new Continental. All of the maintenance has been taken care of professionally by German mark experts. And the car just absolutely shows like new from 1992. Imagine visiting this car in the showroom and thinking about paying the nearly $100,000 MSRP. The original MSRP for this car was $99,950. And in 1992, that was a lot of money. It sure is a lot of money today, too. But it was a value for this car. Think about what it was compared to. Porsche 928, Ferrari Mondial, BMW's 5, 6, 7 series. This 500 SL was better than them in many, many ways. Power, luxury, performance, handling, and it's still excellent today. So here we are seated in the 92 SL. Look at this luxurious, wonderful interior. Got this large key fob with blade. Let's start her up. That 5-liter V8 roars to life. Automatic climate control comes on immediately. This is the original stereo for the vehicle. It has a power antenna that deploys automatically when the AM/FM radio is in use. Tape decks, because it was the 90s. Enough talk, let's get rolling. At 5,881 miles, there's not a single squeak or rattle to be heard. It is quiet and absolutely solid. The hardtop is on right now. As you can hear, I'm speaking quietly because there's no need to raise your voice in this car. This is like, if you're familiar with Rolls-Royce or Bentley, like riding in one of those, or maybe the silence of a Tesla or other EVs. You go down the road and just enjoy your luxury environment. dip into the power of that 5-liter. See what the highway is like in the R129. It's the off-ramp really well. Gotta remember that this was a sports car, not just a luxury car. I've known the SL nomenclature to stand for Sport Light. This car feels like that. It's a pretty windy day, so we are kind of getting blown around out here, but it takes it in strides. Something that I wasn't aware of on this model until I watched that Haggerty video that I shared on this vehicle is that it is a electronically adjusted center rear view mirror. Allow me, I will start to adjust, and you might see in the camera that the mirror sure does adjust electronically. They thought of everything on this car, but this car's right at home in traffic. It's very comfortable, and it does get looks. It kind of has an image of success, I think. Especially in this very attractive two-tone trimming on this vehicle. How about we try that power again once this Toyota gets out of our way? Why not? Lovely V8 roar. Mercedes has always had great exhaust notes. Not always something that you'd come to expect from a luxury brand. Luxury or not, Mercedes offers some muscle, and I love that. Stopping power is provided by 4-wheel disc brakes. Anti-lock braking, of course. What you'd come to expect in a $100,000 car in the early 90s. There is a ashtray, 2 of them actually, in this vehicle. Never been used. The doctor did a wonderful job of preserving is lovely SL. Thanks for coming along with me today. Surely hope you enjoyed your experience in this 500. I know I did. And I hope to see your bid, because this is a car that you could be proud of. I know the doctor was, and I'm proud to represent it too.